I know, finding an email marketing platform might be a little stressful, but it is one of the first steps in getting started with emailing your Etsy customer. Listen, life of an Etsy seller can be very hectic at times. So I always appreciate when you guys watch my videos all the way through. Some of you probably watch while you're like designing. That's what I do quite often. And most of you download the e-guides that I present to you guys down in the description of my videos. You know, I am J Monique of Designs by J Mo B. I'm an active Etsy seller, and I primarily offer face masks, face shields, and other personal protective items. I'm also going to start introducing you guys to Beauty Counter. This is what I use to protect my skin against anti-aging elements, stressors of the environment, and sometimes we have a maskne associated with wearing our face mask. So I'll put a link down in the description of this video so that you can see how you can also take care of your skin in case you got to turn the camera on. Today we're also going to talk a little bit more about tools for Etsy sellers. What are some of the tools that we need besides skincare? It's going to be something called Etsy integration. It is a toolbox that is designed and approved by Etsy to help you to promote your Etsy store and to also help your Etsy store to run more like a business. One of the integrations that you've been hearing us talk about here on this channel is email marketing for Etsy sellers. Here are some things that you need to consider. Just keep these things in mind. A, there are ways to get going with your email list at little to no cost. Like literally, there could be no cost associated. B, you can set up your email plan and become familiar with your email service provider without actually integrating your Etsy store yet. So in other words, just because you select your plan, you do your research, it doesn't mean that you have to start emailing your Etsy customers today. You can begin with your welcome series, start working on that, and learn how to draft landing pages. Download the e-guide that I'm going to put in the description of this video. It's actually a comparison chart to help you to relieve the stress of trying to figure out which email service provider does what. I've already done the hard work for you. Down below, you'll also find my affiliate links that guide you right to the free plans and the best deals with A-Waiver and Constant Contact. Yes, Constant Contact. You'll be happy to know that Constant Contact reached out to me so that I can offer help to you when you use Constant Contact's monthly email service plan. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more e-guides and training like this that I post for Etsy sellers learning how to get into digital marketing, yes, email marketing, that drives traffic back to your Etsy stores. If you're returning, thanks for subscribing and using my affiliate links. It's greatly appreciated. And as always, I'll be putting a guide in the resource area in the description of this video so that you can get help with Etsy integration. That'll be it for now, my friend. Thank you, and I'll see you in the inbox. I've had a long day, but I can't leave without telling you that right now, at the time I'm filming this video, you could get 30% off for 3 months with Constant Contact's Plus Plan. Now, the Plus Plan allows you to capture leads, share updates about your new items and your new designs, all to drive traffic back to your website or your Etsy store. Now, the list growth tools that you'll have will include text to join, and you'll be able to drag and drop your products right from your online store right to your customer's inbox. Just enter promo code 30cyber22 at checkout and the discount is already applied. You're welcome.